Sometimes the market gives you a move that looks clean, smooth, and obvious in hindsight, but in real time it feels messy and confusing because most moving averages react too late and trap you right at the turning point. That's exactly why in this video I want to show you a very clean reversal-based trading strategy built around ALMA, the Arnaud legoux moving average, combined with 3 exponential moving averages using very specific settings. This setup is designed to react faster at turning points while still keeping the chart clean and readable, so instead of chasing moves, you wait for the market to confirm itself. Stick with me till the end because once you understand how these pieces work together, you'll be able to avoid many bad trades that look perfect on other indicators. So I'm on TradingView now, and the first thing we need to add is ALMA. Go to Indicators. Search for ALMA and add the built-in Arnaud legoux moving average. This is not a regular moving average. ALMA uses a Gaussian filter to reduce noise and lag, which makes it much smoother and more responsive than most traditional averages. To optimize it for this strategy, open the settings. You can do that from here. Set the length to 8, leave everything else as default. Then go to the Style tab. Change the color to white, and slightly increase the thickness so it stands out clearly on the chart. Now we need to add 3 exponential moving averages, and for that we'll use the moving average ribbon. Go back to Indicators, search for moving average ribbon, and add it. By default it adds 4 averages, but we only need 3, so open the settings again from here. Remove one line and set all remaining ones to EMA. Set the first EMA length to 8, with the source on close. Set the second EMA length to 89, with the source set to high. Set the third EMA length also to 89, with the source set to low. This creates a clean EMA channel. Now change the colors so it's easy to read. Open the Styles tab, and the first EMA, which is the EMA 8, should be yellow, and the other 2 lines should be green. Also, increase the thickness of all lines so everything is clearly visible. These are going to be all the changes we will do for this indicator, and at this point, the chart is fully set up. Now let's focus on how this strategy actually works. The 2 green EMA lines form what I call the green channel, and this channel defines the overall trend zone. When price is above this channel, the market is bullish. When price is below it, the market is bearish. Then we have 2 fast lines, the white ALMA 8 and the yellow EMA 8. Even though they have the same length, you'll immediately notice that ALMA reacts faster and cleaner, and that difference is what gives us precise entries. This is a reversal strategy, not a trend continuation strategy, so we are only interested in catching the first pullback after a trend shift.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
Let's start with a sell position example. In a sell setup, we first want to see the market transition from bullish to bearish. That starts when price moves from above the green channel to below it. But price alone is not enough. We then want both the white ALMA line and the yellow EMA line to also move completely below the green channel. If price dips below, but one of the fast lines stays inside the channel, we do nothing, because that often leads to fake moves. Once price, ALMA, and MA8 are all below the green channel, that's our early reversal signal. But we still don't enter yet. Instead, we wait for a pullback. We identify the pullback when the white ALMA crosses above the yellow EMA, just like it happened over here. That tells us price is retracing. Now for the actual entry, we wait for confirmation that the pullback is over. That happens when the white ALMA closes back below the yellow EMA. When that candle closes, the sell signal is confirmed. So, we can enter a sell trade at the open of the next candle. Place the stop loss above the green channel, and set the take profit at a 1:2 risk to reward. As simple as that. No complexities, just simple logic and accurate signals. Now let me show you a buy example so you can see the opposite logic clearly. In a buy setup, price must move from below the green channel to above it. And then, both the white ALMA and the yellow EMA must also move fully above the green channel. When all three are above the channel, that tells us a bullish reversal may be forming. Again, we don't rush the entry. We wait for the pullback, which happens when the white ALMA crosses below the yellow EMA. This pullback is exactly where most traders panic or enter too early. We wait patiently, and when the white ALMA closes back above the yellow EMA, the pullback is complete and the buy signal is confirmed. We enter the buy trade, place the stop loss below the green channel, and target a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. And let the trade run. Make sure to give this strategy a try on your demo accounts and share your results in the comments. We only take the first confirmed pullback after a reversal and ignore everything else. This step will help you stay away from many false signals. Now let me show you one more clean sell example, so you can really see how consistent this setup is when the rules are respected. In this section of the chart, price was clearly trending higher, but then it started losing strength and finally pushed below the green EMA channel. At first, only the price dipped below, so we stayed patient. A few candles later, both the white ALMA and the yellow EMA also moved fully below the green channel. That alignment tells us the trend is likely shifting. Still, we don't sell yet. We wait for the pullback. And you can see it clearly here when the white ALMA crosses back above the yellow EMA, showing that price is retracing upward. This is exactly where impatient traders sell too early. We wait. Then, on this candle close, the white ALMA turns back down and closes below the yellow EMA again. That is our confirmation that the pullback is finished. Right at the open of the next candle, we enter the sell trade. The stop loss goes safely above the green channel, keeping us protected if the market snaps back. The take profit is set at 2 times the risk, and after entry, price starts to roll over smoothly, respects the direction, and continues lower until it hits our target. No chasing, no guessing, just waiting for the market to show its hand and then stepping in when everything lines up. Of course, no strategy gives 100% accuracy. Losses are part of trading, and that's normal. What matters is controlling risk. That's why proper risk management is non-negotiable. Without risk management, even the best strategy will eventually fail. That's the complete breakdown of this ALMA and EMA reversal strategy. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future strategies. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.